The creative process brings many obstacles. Would you like to avoid them? Then Carmen is here for you. A revolutionary software poised to turn your 3D printer into a creative tool, right on your phone or laptop. With Carmen, 3D printing becomes easier. Forget about complicated setups and welcome simplicity and speed. With Carmen, you can control your 3D printer from anywhere. Precision, speed and quality. With Carmen, you get flawless printing. Do you print at school? With Carmen, you can print more efficiently. Join the revolution in 3D printing with Carmen. Try it today and unlock your creative potential.